A lot of people ask me for the investor password of my account so that they can check out exactly what my account is doing. And I don't do that because when people connect to my account, it actually slows down the server and it slows down the opening of the trades. So what I do is I give you access to my Discord community where you can ask my clients what they're doing. So Discord is a free application. It's like WhatsApp, just better. This is where I segregate my community and it's free to join. I've got various different channels over here. One of them is the EA testimonials group, where here you can come onto this group and ask my clients directly what they're doing and what the success is of the robot. This is an uncensored group. I encourage people to ask questions and I encourage my clients to tell us what they're doing. I want to hear the good, bad, and the ugly. I want to know if people are losing money, especially because if they're losing money, it means that they've either used incorrect wallet management, they didn't understand a video, or they've set up the robot incorrectly. And we have channels on here like EA Setup. This is where newbies come, where we help newbies to set up their robots. This is a group where we help you to set up your robot and help you to get started from the get-go. Then I've got EA Strategies, where I help my clients to make more profit or to reduce risk or to be more conservative. Then I've also got my Allen EA Strategies, where I tell you what I'm doing. I can't give you trading advice because I'm not a financial advisor, but this is where I tell you exactly what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and how I'm doing it. So if you're interested to find out more, I recommend that you join the community. Below this video is the link to my Discord channel. Now, if the link has expired, right at the bottom of this website is my WhatsApp number, and you can just WhatsApp me and say, hi, the link to Discord is expired, and I'll send you a new link. Below the video is the link to join and also the 3 videos that are going to assist you in setting up your Discord and joining the server. So go ahead and do that. When you arrive on my Discord server, please say hi in the new arrivals group so that we can introduce ourselves and we can say hi, and then you can go onto the testimonials group and ask your questions. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on the Discord. See you soon. Cheers.